are going to see about basics of NOT gate and its application in fuel level indicator. To simulate this experiment, first get into Chrome, search for virtual labs, enter into this website. Now click on the electronics and communications. Here click on the digital applications lab. To see the list of experiments, click on the list of experiments. Here, our experiment is in the fourth place, that is basic NOT gate and its application in fuel level indicator. Click on it. First, let's see the aim. To apply the NOT gate logic in an application to indicate that the fuel level in a tank has reached the minimum level, the user can compute the output of a given circuit with the help of a generalized simulator. The user will be able to construct, simulate and verify the output of the fuel level application. Let's see the theory. Introduction. The NOT gate has only one input and one output. It provides an output that is inverse of the input. That is, it changes a 1 at its input to a 0 at the output and vice versa. The Boolean expression for NOT is expressed as a bar or a single prime over the variable. If the input A passes through two NOT gates, the result is double NOT A, which equals the input A. The NOT operation is called a unary operation since it operates upon only one variable. Conversely, the OR and AND operations are binary operations as two or more variables are involved. This is the symbol of the NOT gate and this is the truth table of the NOT gate. If we give 0 as the input, we get 1 as the output, and if we give 1 as the input, we get 0 as the output. Now, application fuel level indicator. To indicate whether the fuel level in a tank has reached the minimum level, a simple NOT gate along with the digital output level sensor can be used. Concept. When the fuel level drops below the reserve or minimum level, that is 1/4 level of tank, the level sensor gives output as logic high. The NOT gate produces a low output and the red LED glows to indicate this fuel shortage status. To simulate the variation in the fuel level in the tank, a slider is provided. And this is the pictorial representation of the concept of fuel level indicator using NOT. Now, let's see the procedure. Move the slider upwards. This condition simulates that the fuel level is sufficient. Second, observe the LED output. Then, move the slider downwards below the minimum or reserve marking. Observe the output LED. Check whether the drop in fuel level is indicated by the glowing of the LED. Build and verify the same circuit using simulator. Now, let's simulate the circuit. Let's move the slider upwards. Now the tank is full and the LED doesn't glow. Let's bring the slider downwards. Now the fuel level is below the minimum level, that is reserve level. So here the level sensor will give high output, that is 1 as the output. And due to the presence of this NOT gate, the output 1 is changed into 0, which makes the LED to glow. And this is the overall concept of this fuel level indicator using NOT gate. That's all about this fuel level indicator. Thanks for watching.